Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vadim. I am from Russia. I am living in Moscow, and now I want to walk on the street. Look at this guy. We don't have people because today is the holiday like weekend, and I don't know with old people, because usually people who live here, they running in the morning along this road, near this place, around this place, because it's a very, very good place. Look at this. Good view, good mood, and here we have the park. Beautiful park with the river. I think you will see this park after this video. Maybe it will be next video, but now I want show you these ducks. What do you think? What they can do this? It's a crazy January on the street, and these ducks very, very beautiful. Let's go. This descript, it's Hamovniki in Moscow. It's a century of the city Moscow, and it's my favorite district because here we have very, very good place for eat, for have a breakfast, for have a lunch, and very comfortable traffic, traffic like bus stops, traffic like train from Moscow to another place, like its name MCK, MCK, Moscow Central, I don't know, like MCK. And it's my favorite district because it's really nice place, and it's really, really nice it's all, guys. My English is not good because I'm very young in this profession, in this language, and my experience, like, I don't know, maybe 4 months, and for English it's very, very small. It's very, very big experience, yes, for